I can't believe that I just got this fish. Look at him.
Hold him up sideways.
I think he's the biggest I've ever had in my life. Look at that.
That fish is a beast. Look what he did to that little frog. He turned this frog, ladies and gentlemen, he turned this frog inside out. Inside out. And look how he's hooked. He just barely hooked. She got him good.
I got to measure him.
Hold on. Here, you hold this. Hold this. Hold this and turn it around. Turn it around.
My nerves, I'm just a shaking.
He's 24 and a half.
24 and a half. I don't know how daggum freaking much he weighs. Have we got a scale?
We don't have a scale with us.
Jeez. He would be beautiful mounted, but I wouldn't dare kill him.
You don't want to kill him? You don't want to keep him?
You want me to keep him?
If you want to have him mounted, we'll have him mounted.
How much would it cost to have him mounted?
A couple $100.
I'll do it.
Move your foot.
Oh my God, he's gorgeous. I never had a fish that big.
Look what he did to your lure. Now, ladies and gentlemen, that was a flipping frog. So, if the manufacturer of the flipping frog sees this video, we could use a new one. That's a LH. Or it was a LH. This bass tore this thing all to hell. That was like the second cast on her.
No,
it's about the second hit she got this morning on this frog, and this was on her her new Duckett Silverado. What's it called? A Silverado. So Duckett Silverado. She just got this rod and reel. She just learned how to cast it. And we were talking to her about how to cast it, and this was her choice this morning. This is what she decided to catch it on, and she's caught a freaking beast. I'm so far behind already, ladies and gentlemen. I'm just going to concede. I'll be cooking dinner tonight. But, oh my God, we got to go.